In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Perplexity AI conversation with a link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any chat into a simple URL you can send to colleagues, classmates, or friends, without any confusion. Start by opening the official Perplexity AI website and signing into your account. Use the account where the conversation you want to share lives. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your recent chats. Before you share anything, it's a good habit to glance through your conversation and make sure it doesn't include personal or sensitive information, things like emails, passwords, or private details. Because anyone with the link will be able to see what you share. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and choose the chat you want to share. Your recent conversations should be listed there by title or the first line of your prompt. Click to open it so you're viewing the full thread. If you don't see it right away, scroll through your list until you find the correct one. Quick note before we continue, you'll find a direct link to the official Perplexity website. And, if you prefer using the app, a download link as well, right at the top of the video description to make access easy. At the top of your open conversation, locate the share button or share icon. The exact appearance can vary slightly, but it's typically visible near the conversation title or action bar. Click Share to open the sharing settings. This is where you control how your conversation is turned into a link. In the sharing settings, choose the option labeled Copy Link or Create Link. Perplexity will generate a unique URL for this specific conversation. If it's your first time sharing that chat, you might see Create Link first, and then Copy after it's generated. Once the link is ready, click Copy so it's stored on your clipboard. Now paste that link wherever you want to share it. Messages, email, or social media all work. Add a short note explaining what the conversation covers so recipients know what they're opening. Remember, anyone with the link can view the conversation, so only share it with people you trust or in places you're comfortable with. If privacy options are available, choose the level that fits your needs. Public makes it broadly viewable, private keeps it to you, and restricted access limits it to specific people or contexts. Pick the one that aligns with how widely you want to share. That's it. You've turned a Perplexity AI chat into a shareable link. If this was helpful, don't forget to check the links at the top of the description, and thanks for watching.